This tech question is kind of a little specific, but I'm going to kind of roll with it here. So somebody asked me, they saw I did the Fuji video. If you haven't seen it, it was really fun. I got to run around with it. I love those Fuji cameras. Anyways, they gave me the 23. And I shot a bunch of pictures, and then the person asked me, hey, I want to do street photography. Would you get the 23 or the 35? And if you see anything I do, I'm not big on telling people get this lens, right? Because I don't know, what do you want to get? But thinking about the Fuji system, it's APS-C or whatever, so roughly a 23 is like a 35 in full frame, and the 35 is like a 50. Now, when I had my first X Pro, I used the 35 all the time because I'm a 50mm dude. Like, I like shooting with the 50. I shoot portraits with it. I shoot a lot of things with it. But specifically, this question was about street photography. So, in my opinion, if you want to get really good street photography, you generally need to use wider lenses. Not ridiculoso, distort people wide, but wide enough that you can literally be standing next to people and photograph them. Because to me, that's how you get good street photography. You get in close. None of this 200mm lens from across the street. Get in there, be with the group, really close, get your shots. So in that case, I would say the 23. So what I want to kind of get from this is, or for you to get from this is this. Think about what you want to do. Like, if somebody just asked me randomly, what lens should I buy? I don't know what lens you should buy, but dude, like, but specifically, street photography. What are you shooting when you shoot street photography? What makes a good street photo? To me, being in there, being in close, getting really, interacting with people, not necessarily in a way that like they see you per se, like you're just there, right? You know, I was once out shooting some street stuff with a friend of mine, and he was one of these kind of long lens guys. He's like, oh no, you can't use wide lenses because people will start yelling at you. And I just showed him. I literally took I think I had a 35 on my Leica, and I literally walked right up next to something that was going on that was interesting to me. I just picked up my camera, I took a picture, and I walked away. What could have happened? Worst case, the person would have been like, don't take my picture. Okay, then I won't. Not the end of the world, That's basically it. Think about the use. If you tell me you're going to go out and shoot eagles, well, probably neither one of those two lenses is good, unless you can get really close, which you probably can't. Now you're going to want a long lens. So think about what you intend to do with the lens. And I know that everything we buy in photography, it's an investment, especially if you're not doing it professionally. You're thinking like, oh, I only have so much money I can spend on this. But think about the thing you want to do. Everything, piece of equipment you buy doesn't have to do everything. If you really love shooting street photography, get yourself a wide lens, go out there and enjoy it. So leave some comments below and let me know, what are the kind of questions you guys have so we can make more videos like this. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.